Welcome to our advanced facility where pigs are cared for under strict hygiene and safety standards.
We maintain optimal environmental conditions for animal health.
Each pig receives balanced nutrition monitored by our system. All right, keep moving forward. Gently now into the pens.
Cleaning also stimulates natural behavior.
$1,055 kilograms, confirmed and logged.
His temperature is stable, doctor.
Excellent. Let's move to the next one.
Training ensures discipline and safety.
Rest supports healthy growth and stability.
We now produce high-quality synthetic fat used for soap manufacturing with no harm to animals.
We use advanced synthetic fat compounds to create safe and high-quality soap materials.
Each ingredient is precisely measured for consistency and skin safety. Controlled heating ensures proper chemical bonding.
The mixture is shaped into continuous soap blocks. Up. Each bar is precisely shaped and branded.
Only perfect products move forward to packaging. Each bar is securely wrapped to maintain hygiene.
Products are prepared for distribution to global markets.
Look how much Dove soap. It's enough for a whole month.
Great job. Let's keep moving. The quality feels smooth and refreshing.
Our products are shipped worldwide using advanced logistics systems. Products are received and distributed to regional markets.
Here is your shipment of Adobe soap from the one and only factory.
Perfect, just sign here on the clipboard.
Presentation ensures accessibility and customer satisfaction.
सीजन की कुर्तारी की सर्दी में रिग्रेट है ये सूरी सिंह कर दी है
This looks clean, smooth, and high quality.
That will be $5.99, and here is your receipt. Have a great day.
Who wants more bubbles?
Me. Careful, you two, don't slip.
Our products serve customers across the globe.
Automation ensures efficiency and consistent quality.
We combine innovation, care, and technology to deliver high-quality products.
If you enjoyed what we do, please like and subscribe to One and Only Factory. Bye. See you in the next video.